Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're going to demonstrate here is the Kranzle X machine, the X range. This is the A15TST, 130 bar, 8 litres, only running at 1400 RPM, which you'll hear when we come to run the machine in a minute to how quiet it is. Water's all set up here. Now we use the click connect connections there, far superior quality than others in the marketplace. Pressure regulator, pressure gauge, oil to change your oil, obviously to check your oil, to replace it, and underneath it you've got the little brass bung there to drop it out. The two nozzles in the system itself, you've got the normal pressure nozzle and then you've got the dirt killer nozzle. Now these interchange on a quick release at the end of the lance, so if you had a snow foam bottle you'd attach it there as well. This machine is automatic stop start. At the moment in time it's sat in shutdown, so as we pull the trigger the machine will automatically start. Switch at the back of the machine to turn the machine on. As you see, that's pressed in at the present moment, so as soon as we pull the trigger it goes. This handle here also pulls out and clips back in, so it's not on getting knocked and caught at any stage. Kranzle, same old thing, brass head, think about everything to Kranzle. Good quality wheels, cable itself, proper rubber cable, not one of these plastic nasty horrible cables. Hose reel with proper rubber hose, wire braided, which is rubber, so it doesn't read. As you lay it, lays out straight, it lays flat, no kinking, it doesn't read the reel being sat on there. So what I'm going to do is just demonstrate the machine. So we'll run first of all and we'll use the normal dirt killer nozzle lance. Obviously you wouldn't use this nozzle on paintwork. And obviously when you let go of the machine stops. What we'll do now is just change the nozzle. So it's quick release and that just pops out. Then get the other nozzle out the top, same again. Just marry it up and clip it in place. This is just a standard nozzle that's going to go in place now. Like I say, this machine's only running 1400 RPM. The nozzle itself can be flipped round, so it can be working on that angle if you want to. Just simply turn it and you're working on the normal jet, which is that pattern. And like I say, if you're putting the foam bottle in, you just do the same again. Automatic stop start, so every time you let go. Now the only thing is with that, sometimes if you're running off a generator and the generator hasn't got enough power, that generator is then being put under load because it stops starting as the machine stops and starts. It's revving up, revving down, revving up, revving down. It's at that stage it can cause problems. With the machine because it doesn't see the power for about 3 seconds. But like I say, if you're running normal, absolutely fantastic machine, great, plenty of pressure with it. The build of it is fantastic. Thank you very much, Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and another big thumbs up from Kranzle.